नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, EESमध्ये पहिल्या युनिटमध्ये 5R पॉलिसी हा एक नवीन टॉपिक ॲड केलेला आहे. त्याचे काही आपण इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ आता बघणार आहोत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हॉट डज द 5R पॉलिसी प्रायमरीली फोकस ऑन? इट फोकस ऑन वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट अँड सस्टेनेबिलिटी. Which of the following is not one of the 5R? Reduce, reuse, recover and replace. Replace is not one of the 5Rs. Question number 3 is, what is the main goal of the reduce principle in 5R policy? Main goal is to decrease the amount of waste generated. Question number 4 is, which of the following is an example of reuse? Using both sides of a sheet of paper, it is example of reuse. What does recycle mean in the 5R principle? Recycle, that is processing waste material into new product. Then question number 6 is, what does recover in the 5R policy mean? Recovering useful material from waste, that is recover. Question number 7, what is example of refuse in 5R policy? That is choosing eco-friendly product instead of plastic ones, that is refuse. Then question number 8, why is the 5R policy important? Answer is to minimize waste and protect the environment. Question number 9, which of the following is the best practice under 5R policy? Using cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Then question number 10 is, how does recycle help the environment? By reducing the need for raw material. Question number 11 is, what is the best way to reduce waste? Buying items in bulk to minimize packaging waste. Question number 12 is, which of the following is example of recover in 5R principle? It is generating energy from waste material. Question number 13 is, how does reuse benefit the environment? Reuse, it reduces the need for new materials. Question number 14 is, which of the following material is easiest to recycle? Glass bottles are easiest to recycle. Question number 15, what is a good way to practice refuse? Saying no to plastic straws and using metal straws instead. It is a good way to practice refuse. Then question number 16 is, which of these actions support the recycle principle? Sorting waste material into recycling bins is, these actions support recycle principle. Question number 17 is, what is the best way to dispose the electronic waste, that is e-waste? Giving it to an authorized e-waste recycle, it is the best way. Then question number 18 is, why is reduce the first step of 5R hierarchy? It minimizes the creation of waste in the first place. Then question number 19 is, how can business follow the 5R policy effectively? By encouraging customers to bring their own reusable bags. Now last question is, what is the main environmental benefit of refuse? It prevents waste from being generated in the first place. These are some important MCQs on 5R policy. Thank you.